I'm going to take you through some self-care rituals and hair masking techniques using Botanical Repair. My options is a light, intensive strengthening mask or a rich, depending on my hair texture. So I'm going to go with the intensive. I'm then going to have a leave-in treatment afterwards. But first off, I'm going to put my hair up and get ready for a beautiful face mask using Intense Hydrating Mask. This mask is an oil-free mask that hydrates and cools the skin, providing soothing relief from dryness and exposure to the elements. Rose water helps to tone and refresh the skin. I really love it because it's so soothing and cooling and hydrating for my skin. So I put that all over my neck, all over my face, and I make it quite thick on my skin. I've just used Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. This gently cleanses and helps to strengthen and protect my hair from the inside out. Builds bonds to help to improve the hair strength, which is perfect for me because I colour my hair. The next step is now I'm going to do a deep, rich treatment using Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. I've chosen the rich one because of the condition of my hair is really dry on the ends due to colouring it and just every day being outside. This is an intensive treatment that instantly strengthens and protects the hair from the inside out with plant-derived technologies formulated for deep conditioning. What it's going to do, it's going to make my hair look a lot softer and smoother. It's going to strengthen it, especially on those ends. And it's plant-derived. It instantly detangles to help prevent damage from breakage, leaving my hair feeling a lot softer and smoother. So I'm just working that through my hair from the roots to the ends, and just then now I'm going to clip it up and leave it for a while. I'm going to take you through my favourite self-care rituals using the Aveda comforting tea. This is an organic, caffeine-free herbal infusion with licorice root and peppermint. Calms your senses, promoting a sense of well-being. I'm having mine hot, and I just find it really comforting on a cold day. I'm going to now light my rosemary and mint vegan soy wax candle, and this has organic rosemary, peppermint and spearmint. And I love it because it just gives the house a beautiful aroma and it will just refresh my senses. I'm now going to use Hand Relief Moisturizing Cream. My hands are really dry, so it's an intense moisturizer and it's going to make my hands noticeably softer and smoother. Now I'm going to feed my lips with the Pure Nourish Mint lip treatment, and it's going to nourish and smooth and moisturize my lips, and it's got a wonderful peppermint aroma flavor. My favorite product, which is Stress Fix Composition Oil. It's a stress relieving aromatic oil, and I just breathe in those delicious aromas and then I place it around my neck. I've just washed off my mask, and now I'm going to feed my lips with Pure Nourishment Liquid Colour Balm. It's 93% naturally derived vegan liquid lipstick with a rich cream finish. And what I really love about this, so easy to apply. You can even use your fingers just for an easy application and to blend out. Now I'm going to style my hair using Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. It's a lightweight leave-in conditioning spray which hydrates and replenishes the hair for 72 hours while detangling and protecting from thermal styling. Now I'm going to work through Nutriplenish Multi-Use Hair Oil. It's 100% naturally derived and it features concentrated blends of 5 powerful oils. So I'm going to work that from roots to tips of my hair, and it's going to give me hydration and shine. I just blow dry my hair through using my Aveda wooden paddle brush. It's a professional paddle brush and it features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress on the hair. So I love to use it, makes my hair really smooth, and it's great for straight styles. On a low heat, I just blow dry my hair through, and you can really see the shine and the condition that I have in my hair after using Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. I use the rich one, especially for the ends of my hair, and you can really see how easy it is to get the paddle brush through my hair. It's made my hair look like silk. Additionally, the Nutriplenish multi-use hair oil has also made those ends so shiny and conditioned. To fine detail, I'm going to use Fomollient Styling Foam, and it adds shine and a weightless volume to fine hair. So I'm just going to use that mainly around my hairline to just give me some additional lift. To finish off, I'm going to use Air Control Hairspray, and it's a light hold hairspray which offers flexible lasting hold for my style.